Mike's Grill and Barbecue. Well, I just made fried chicken and it's a total disaster. A nightmare. They all look really messed up. I ate 4 wings and the drumettes, and it was good. The meat is really tender, super tender, but it just looks like garbage. Look at this. I don't know what happened. This piece came out good, but kind of burnt looking. This is a big breast piece. I'm sure it's really good. It's super crispy. It's all crispy. I don't know what happened. This looks like fish and chips. I mean, the meat inside looks really good, or it tastes really good, but I don't like the way it looks, man. So what I'm gonna throw in these 3 jalapeno poppers that I made. They're in the freezer. I'm gonna cook those up right now. I made these jalapeno poppers. 1, 2, 3. I'll cook those up, and I don't know what I'm gonna do with the chicken. Jalapeno poppers, looking good, yummy. This, not so much. All right, the jalapeno poppers are done. Cheese is coming out. Three homemade jalapeno poppers. Ooh. Super crispy jalapenos. Ugly chicken, jalapeno. Crispy jalapeno poppers. Oh yeah. Hi everyone. So my chicken turned out awful. The meat's good, but it looks terrible. So I made my jalapeno poppers, and I have no ranch or blue cheese. Unbelievable. So I'm just gonna eat them plain because I like cheese and jalapeno. They came out really good. Look at those. Delicious. The cheese. Bon appetito. See how these are at least. Oh. Mmm. 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 Spicy, man. These are good. I love jalapeno poppers. I know Mega Fred likes them. Jalapeno, cheese. Mmm. Oh. Oh. Mmm. Perfectly cooked. Or fried. I used panko. Mmm. 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 These are what I use for make a jalapeno popper. Pickled jalapenos. La Costantina. Jalapeno popper. This whole jar, it's got like 17 jalapenos in there. And it costs $1.50. I can get either 15 or 17 full-size jalapenos, or I can cut them in half, and I'll get like over 30 of these for $1.50. That's what I use right there. This is like $1.50. Let's take another one. Look at that. Cheddar cheese. So I had a couple pieces of chicken. It was good, but it doesn't look great. But the meat was really good. I brined it in buttermilk for 24 hours. And I changed the oil from peanut oil to this other vegetable oil. That might be the problem right there. I don't know. But these jalapeno poppers are good. Oh. I split these open. I take out the seeds and I stuff it with cheese. Then I use an egg wash. And then I put it in the flour, egg wash, and then panko breadcrumbs. And then I freeze them. When you want some, you just throw them right in the deep fryer. This one looks really good. When it gets golden brown and the cheese starts bubbling out, it's done. The jalapeno is already like cooked, like soft cooked already, because they're pickled. If I used like raw jalapenos, they'd be a lot stronger. They'd be really hot. I like these because it's got a vinegary, and they're like soft already. They're cooked already with the vinegar, you know. Look at that though, it looks good, man. Oh. Ooh. Super hot. I wish I had some ranch or blue cheese dressing, but I like the flavor anyway. Crispy jalapeno and cheese. What else do you want? I could put some, I have some Thousand Island, but that wouldn't. That's a no-no. That wouldn't work. I could put some more hot sauce. It's already hot enough. All right. Kukumaluku. Have a great evening. It's Saturday. It's Friday afternoon. Have a great weekend. I'm gonna finish my last bite. Jalapeno. Cheers, everyone. K-pop.
He's gonna wait till later, right? Like, I think, yeah, like, he started later, right? Yeah, I get what you're saying.
Look at all those trucks. My work for today. Holy moly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. What the mother? Woo! 17 or 20 trucks. BMO.
In the Malibu Library, I'm Art Sanders, KNX News 97.1 FM.
Traffic now, Brian Douglas, Downey Hyundai Traffic Center.
So 405 North, we're in Long Beach here. This is going to be right around Bellflower Boulevard. We did have some objects or an object in your middle lanes causing a little bit of an issue. So that's got you slow coming away from the county line. Even before that, from Seal Beach
Rock and
Boulevard.
roll
So that's
trucks.
what's going on the North 405. Let's see. CSP may have gotten that thing out of your way. Whatever it is. May have been a tow hitch or something. But anyway, that's what's going on in 405 North through Long Beach. Up ahead through the South Bay, we start to see most of our slowing right before the 110. Again, on that North 405. Anaheim, 91 eastbound, just before
53 footers.
Crashed in the left lane, just cleared to the right. So that's what's got that 91 still slow. Coming off of the 5.
20 of them.
Matt, thank you. Let me know about this crash on the 60 that just cleared out of your lane. 60 westbound at Central. Everything's over to the right. Maybe a work truck.
Okay, I tried to save a couple little pieces of fried chicken. They still look terrible. This one looks alright, I guess. They're crispy. I got some Crystal hot sauce. Let's give them a go. Alright, I tried to save little pieces of fried chicken. They look alright. Put a little bit of Louisiana hot sauce on there. Little nugget. Super crispy. Fall off the bone. Tastes good. Right off the bone. It's just ugly fried chicken, man. Puppies. Good fried chicken. I guess I'll cut it up and give it to the puppies for dinner. Tastes all right. Just ugly.